This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the bonnet release latch located on the passenger side kick panel and lift the bonnet safety latch and raise the bonnet upwards. Loosen the relevant front wheel bolts then jack up the front of the car and support it on axle stands. Remove the right-hand road wheel. Remove the engine undershield. Remove the front section of the wheel arch liner by removing the plastic clips and screws, and then remove the liner from the wheel arch. Using a 16mm spanner, turn the tensioner pulley clockwise to release the tension on the belt. Noting its routing, remove the drive belt from the pulleys. Renault recommend that the tensioner bolt and the belt are replaced once removed. Unbolt and remove the tensioner pulley. With the belt and pulley removed, check and clean if necessary the grooves in the crankshaft pulley. Fit the new tensioner with a new bolt and tighten the new retaining bolt to 40 Nm. Fit the belt loosely around the main pulleys, making sure that it is correctly located in the grooves, and then turn the tensioner clockwise for the belt to be fitted onto the last pulley. Slowly release the tensioner and allow the belt to be tensioned. Check that the belt is taut midway along its bottom run, and again check that the belt is securely fitted into the pulley grooves. Refit the liner to the wheel arch and secure the plastic clips and screws. Refit the engine undershield and refit the right-hand road wheel. Lower the car to the ground. And tighten the road wheel bolts to 110 Nm.